Meaning of flirtatiousness.
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 Flirtatiousness. Flirtatiousness refers to behavior that is intended to show romantic or sexual interest in another person, often for the purpose of gaining attention or affection. This can include playful teasing, suggestive remarks, and physical gestures such as touching or batting eyelashes. While flirtatious behavior can be harmless and enjoyable for both parties involved, it can also have negative consequences if one person feels manipulated or misled. It's important to always respect others' boundaries and communicate clearly in any romantic or sexual interaction.